Hey, I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Today I'm going to give you guys a closer look at the Tusk UTV upgrade kits for the Honda Pioneer 1005. Now, these UTV upgrade kits, they come in 3 different stages, and that way you can find the one that fits your personal preferences, and the kits are also going to help your new machine stand out and look good. Now, another benefit of buying everything in a kit is not only is it a convenient package, but you're going to save some money. So let's go ahead and take a look at what comes in each kit. Starting out, we'll look at the Stage 1 UTV upgrade kit. Now, this kit is the most budget friendly and it comes with the essential items. So what those items are the hard-coated half windshield. This thing's going to deflect some wind but still allow some airflow into the cab to keep you cool. It's also going to keep some of the dust out and maybe even debris that's flying up. So these are really nice to have. The second item in the kit is the alloy UTV mirror kit. You've got to be able to see behind you, and this is a great way to do it. And since it mounts up to the A-pillar instead of having a big bulky clamp, it doesn't get in the way of your half windshield. Now, the other nice thing about these is they're super durable. The third item in the kit is the profile aluminum roof. This is a staple item for any side-by-side. It comes in all 3 kits and it's going to give you some shade from the sun, protection from the rain, and the weather. Next, we're going to be looking at the Stage 2 upgrade kit. Now, this is a good way to get some premium features still at a great price. Now, what this comes with is, number 1, you have the same hard-coated half windshield from Stage 1 and the profile aluminum roof. But the upgrades are, number 1, you get the pivot folding mirrors. Now, what's nice about these is if you ever hit anything with them, they're going to pop right out of the way and you can fold them right back out. The mirror itself is fully adjustable so you can get it where you need it. And again, it's got the A-pillar mounts so they don't get in the way of your windshield. The second upgrade in the kit is the hitch-mounted spare tire carrier. You never know when you're going to get a flat, and it's always a good idea to carry a spare with you. Moving on to Stage 3, this is the premium option from Tusk, and it is going to keep some of the upgrades from Stage 2. So that's going to keep your pivot folding mirrors, the profile aluminum roof, and the hitch-mounted spare tire carrier. Now, what gets upgraded is, number 1, your windshield. You're going to get full coverage in the front. This is made out of super durable laminated safety auto glass, and it's going to stay looking good for a long time. And if things ever get dirty, you can simply use your windshield wiper to clean it off. Now, one thing with a full windshield is you're not going to get as much airflow into the cab, and that's why the kit also comes with the wing vents. Now, these wing vents, you'd be surprised how much airflow they can actually draw into the cab. They're really nice, so if you want maximum airflow on a hot day, you just push these all the way out. And if things cool off throughout the day and you want minimum airflow, you can always push these all the way closed to limit the amount of air that's coming into the cab. And that's your closer look at the Tusk UTV upgrade kits for the Honda Pioneer 1005. If you want one of these kits, you can find them on our website. We also have a detailed install video for each kit. So make sure you subscribe to our channel, check those install videos out, and if you have any questions about the kits or the install process, make sure you leave those questions down in the comments below. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.